How's it going, everybody? This is the Jake's Games channel, and I'm gonna make another tutorial video. This tutorial is gonna be how to actually attach a weapon or basically anything to your character in Godot. No channel or no video is actually covering this in great detail, and I'm gonna try my best to give you guys a scoop on how to actually do this. I'm not the best teacher in the world, so go easy on me in the comments, guys, and let's get started. So I'm not going to go into detail of how I created the animations, rather than just show you guys with the animations that you have. So make sure only this collection that your character is in with the animations and nothing else is active. And you want to select all that's in the scene, and I'll see you over there in Godot and I'll show you exactly how to find your Godot path. So what I do is I right click on this folder that I created, and I want to go down to copy absolute path. Okay, so since we've already copied the Godot path, you're going to want to Control V and basically paste it into this bar right here. So what we would do here is we would just name this whatever you'd want. I named mine player, and then we want to go over here to make sure your settings are all right. So you want to hit selected and active collection, and then you want to make sure all these right here are checked. Now we're in Godot, and this is what it looks like. What you want to do is you want to go right here to characters, and boom, that's where I saved mine to. Yours probably saved to something else if you wanted it to. And you want to right click on it and then new inherited scene. And when we come into this new inherited scene, we'll notice this is what it gives us. We're going to go down to animation player and make sure our animations are there. But anyways, we got our animations. Now all we got to do is add our gun. So let's go to props. That's where I put my gun at. And we can kind of just drag this one in. As you can see, we drug it in, and it does not follow our animations at all because it's not parented to anything. So to parent it, you got to go to skeleton, click on it, right click on skeleton, add a child, and look for bone attachment 3D. Search it up in this top bar right here, and then hit create. I usually move mine up right here. Now with this right here selected, this menu right here is up on the right hand side, which says bone name. Now I named all of my bones, which is very important, and I want to connect it to my right wrist bone. And then I want the sniper to be parented to this. And now if I say play, there's my rifle. And it is parented to my wrist bone. But it's all weird. But don't worry, you can actually just go ahead and rotate this thing to match up to exactly what you want. Sometimes it's funky, sometimes it's not. It just depends on the day, I guess, Godot's having. That should be fine. Let's see. Yep, that's fine enough. Then as you play it, boom. And if you change animations, it also goes along with it. Proning, boom, boom, boom. It does work. All right, so we are absolutely all good now. This right here is attached, and our animations are working within Godot. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see anything else in the future, maybe I can go into depth about my animations, how those work, how to save animations, anything you guys want to know about a Godot or Blender, I got your back. I will try my best to explain it the best way I can. With that being said, peace guys, and please leave a like, please subscribe if you like content like this, and don't forget to put in the comment sections what you want to learn next.